Hi, and welcome to this third episode of the talk about profitability in the small businesses. We'll discuss here the maybe the reason or the reasons actually why it's not a very important issue for small businesses, or it has not been. Let's start with the way its profit is looked at in the profit statement. We know that there are four statements in four financial statements that make up the financial reporting for each maybe quarter or year for the end of the period. One of them is the balance sheet. You have the profit statement, cash flow statement, and the equity. Talking about the profit and loss. Profit is normally referred to as the end results, as the last column in the profit and loss statement. You can say it is the leftover. So that's why maybe it is what's left. You start with the revenue, and then you take out the cost of goods sold, and then all the other expenses until you get to the bottom line. So it is the bottom line. It is the least important. It's the last on that very important statement. So that's maybe one reason why it's not very important. Maybe it's not what you start. It's that something that you hope to achieve at the end of the period. Whether you make it or not, maybe not this time, maybe there are some reasons, maybe there are some external reasons, or maybe internal reasons, but yeah, we will work on that, and hopefully the next year, next month, maybe next generation, we can have some profit. I studied business myself, and you don't come across these things. It's all the ratios, the old accounting ratios, or maybe finance talks about break even, but nothing to show the importance of profit in the life of the company, especially for the small companies. Small companies have a life of their own. They are different than the big ones. Big companies, they are answerable to the board, to the big owners, to the professional you have professional management. If they don't report good earnings, they will be fired. For small businesses, it is more of, there's this emotional connection, there's this emotional life, or it's part of the owner's sort of reputation, self-respect. It's the owner's, it is the owner himself. It's not the company, so it's not the company only, it is the owner. Normally, sometimes it carries the name of the owner as well. There is that much relationship between the two. There is that bond. It's sometimes more important than the family also. And he will sacrifice so much for the life of this company. We can talk about this in great detail later, but it's a fact. There is no separation between the life of the owner and the company itself. It's not the money part only. It is much bigger thing for him. It's part of his self-esteem, reputation, recognition, achievement in life, much more than the relationship between his family or his children and the company. So these are the two, sides of the same, they are feeding on each other. On one side you have the way profit is treated, and the other side you have that personal, it is the small business is the other side of the owner himself. So he will, as I said, he will sacrifice so many things. He will end up maybe selling his assets just to keep that firm running. Now, regardless of the situation, whether it's make profit or not. So we can discuss all of these things, hopefully, in the future. Thanks.